Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to flip video. Okay, we have this example video, and if you want to flip, you can click on filter tab, click plus icon, and then go to video tab in the top here. You can searching for the flip tools. Click at this option. Now it will be automatically flip the video like this. If you want to flip in right and left, we can use a mirror filter. Click plus icon again, and then you can searching for mirror tools. Okay, you can scroll down, click at this option, mirror, and it will be automatically flip or mirror to the left and right. It can this is default, and then this flip to the right, and this is flip from to the top. Okay, that's it for basic shortcut tutorials, how to flip a video. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.